did already. Of yours? Not with that though. I'm doing a video right now. That's nice. Where'd you get that made from? Dazzle?
Jake actually bought it for me for my birthday.
Oh fuck, that's nice. That looks really cool, the fender cover. And that'll stay on too.
You know those like cell phone bags?
Yeah.
That's up the material so it sticks to the car kind of. You know?
So it doesn't slide off like the vinyl one.
It's real soft.
I like it.
Family or truckster has arrived.
Sweet.